How to change battery icon color on any iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is open the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available there. Now, once inside the accessibility, simply tap on the app settings option available there. Scroll down till the bottom and look for the app settings and simply tap on it after you find one. So now inside the app settings, tap on the all app option or add app option available there. Then once you tap on the add app, you will get to see apps option available. From there, tap on the home screen. Now again tap on the home screen. There is home screen and app library option. Now scroll down and there you will get to see smart inverts option available. Simply toggle that switch on. If it is on default on or off, simply tap on the on. Then enable the dark mode. Then scroll down from the top right corner of your screen and control panel will be available. Now there tap on the dark mode, and once you switch to the dark mode, you will get to see the color changed in the top right corner of your screen of your battery. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.